Hello, I'm Benny the Jet, does cars, and this is part 2 of the custom air intake series, mass airflow adapter. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I made an adapter so that I could use my mass airflow sensor on my custom air intake. Let's get to it. Okay, so I don't have anything strong enough really to help me grind out a hole like this. I don't have a milling machine or anything like that. So what I did was cut it in half and grind down each side individually and then just weld it back together. So that's where we're at. Get back to it. See, that worked out pretty well. So this part, I think I'm going to end up drilling this out and having to cut it with a jigsaw, but even these lines would be tough with the Dremel cutoff. Yeah, the jigsaw should cut it, and I got a metal blade for the jigsaw. We'll see how this works. moment of truth. Still a little snug, but it fits on there. So that's my mass airflow. Just gotta weld this bad boy up and call it good. What I'm thinking is, because I want to make sure that I don't change the outer diameter too much on these two edges, because they're already a pretty tight fit. I'm gonna just leave those unpainted. I'm gonna paint a black strip around the middle here, and what I'm gonna do on the ends is I'm gonna lacquer them so they don't rust, and lacquer on the inside so it doesn't rust. I think lacquer holds up a little better than regular clear coat. Doing it quick and dirty because I just spent a solid day trying to reset the ECU to learn this airbox. I'm not putting the stock one back on. So the lacquer didn't like Rust-Oleum all that much, but I have a fix that I'm going to try. Just some cheap carbon fiber vinyl. Alright, so that's it for the mass airflow adapter. Yeah, it functions like it should. I do think I'm going to make some changes to it eventually here. I mean, it's running fine right now. It's not throwing me any codes or anything. I did have some issues with turbulence, so the mass airflow sensor wasn't getting a clean reading. I fixed that. But one change that I would like to make is I might get rid of those cheesy plastic and silicone sleeves and just make the whole thing out of that cold rolled steel. I think it'd be kind of cool. I've never done pie cuts before, but I think I got a good handle on the math of it. That'll come up later. For right now, I'm happy with it. I'm just going to drive around on it. I got some other projects I'm going to do. Yeah, we'll see in part 3 though. That should be coming up. I've got some other videos coming. First, before part 3, I think I've got some work that I did on, I welded some patches into my dad's Camaro. That'll be probably before part 3. And I'm getting ready to work on some cool stuff as well that'll be coming up, because it is freaking beautiful outside. And coronavirus or not, I'm going to do what I got to do. Thanks for watching.